Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Online Medicine Store. I have developed this project in MERN stacks. MERN means M for Mongo, E for Express, R for React and Node. So these technology stacks we have used for developing this project, Online Medicine Store. This is a responsive theme, but this is not a fully responsive. So we have used MERN bootstrap libraries used. So this technology stacks MERN, Mongo Express, React and Node we have used in this project, Online Medicine Store. There are two types of role available inside the project. First one is admin and second one is customer. So this is a major project. Admin can perform a certain operation and the customer can order the medicines. So this is a single medical shop, not for a multiple medical store. If you run this project, so this is a home page. You can see this is a home page. Some items are coming from the database. You can, so this is a home page. Some statics content. These are some statics contents. You can see this is a about us page. This is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a category. You can see all the category has been visible which are coming from the database. We have added 6 categories of the medicines, but you can add the number of categories from the database or a admin panel. This is these are all product. This is a products page. You can see all products, all medicines are coming from the database. You can add the number of medicines from the database or a admin panel. This is a registration page. Here user can register here, and this is a login page. Without login you can't access the internal page. Now if you want to buy this Rosef XT medicines, now click on the add to cart. You can add number of quantities from here. You can like 1, 2, 3 and click on add to cart. Oh, this is a user registrations. Without login you can't access the internal page. So add email is customer@gmail.com and the password is test. Oh, this is a user dashboard. You can see this is a customer dashboard. First click on all products, click on tablets, add to cart, and you can add the number of quantities like a 3. Click on add to cart. You can see here total 3 units, price per unit 100 rupees and the subtotal 300. The amounts get calculating automatically. Now click on the checkout. Here this is a make payment page. This is a dummy page, nothing real in this page. You can add the number of card, anything, name of card like a masters, select card type like a Visa card, expiry month like a 2025, months. You can now click on the submit. You can see your payment has been done and this is a receipt and your order has been confirmed. You can see. You can also print receipt. Now we are going on the dashboard. This is a user dashboard. You can see your orders from the my order sections. If you want to click on that, you can see your order details. This is a my account page. Here user can easily update his account, and this is a logout page. So this is all about the front end panel user login. Now comes on the admin panel for admin. You need to open first login. Without login you can't access the internal page. So admin ID is admin@gmail.com and the password is test. Now click on the submit. Oh, this is a admin dashboard. You can see this is a admin dashboard. Now you can add the new products from the add products page. This is a product entry form. You can add the new product, new medicines from here. And this is a add category form. Here admin can add the new category from the category entry form. And now last one is user registration page. Here admin can add the new user from this form. Now click on the product report. You can see all the products from the product reports page. You can easily delete or from here. Yeah, you can easily see the details of the medicines. Same for the category report. Here admin can easily see the category report. And this is a customer report. Here you can easily see the customer report. And this is a order report. Here admin can easily, you can see or admin or all orders report. So this is all about the admin panel. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see the administration option is saying, like a logout option is showing, dashboard option is also saying. You can see the menu has been changed because of the session custom. So the system is checking who is login and accordingly so that upper menu displaying. So this is all about the admin panel. Okay. So this is all features had developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.